This is Atticus. An intruder stole his car from his garage. Now he feels unsafe and unprotected. Presenting DCMoto. They offer a wide range of features like anti-spy remote and auto lock system for enhanced security, sensor, panic alarm, save energy, and backup battery for no electricity. DCMoto is an advanced Autogate system, and we have revolutionized this Autogate system. DCMoto are worth value to customers than any other ARM-type brands. Why choose us? Customers often complain that they cannot find their installers who helped them installed earlier. Your solution is Getz Distribution, Sendirian Berhad, marketing teams and distributor for DCMoto. We build showrooms and centers for dealers and customers to visit. We provide satisfactory services and guarantee for everyone after-sales service. Our services include service centers, friendly staff, easy self-maintenance, more than 200 installers and dealers in Malaysia. Getz Distribution, Sendirian Berhad. We serve you better.